Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing and using the James Charles Morphe palette. So if you're wondering why I haven't uploaded lately, I started working and it's just been really crazy and I've just had some stuff going on. But I will be uploading again back on my schedule, so don't worry. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. So I already did my eyebrows, as you can see, and if you're wondering why they're thinner, I went and got them done the other day and this girl took like all my eyebrows off, but we're not even gonna get into that. So this is the James Morphe palette, the box that it comes in, and this thing is huge, by the way. Like, look, it covers up my whole big head. So I mean, the front, it's kind of a little dirty because I've been using it. I've had this for like a few weeks now. So anyway, besides like it being a little dirty, there is the James Charles Morphe palette. And here are all the colors. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So I already did my eyebrows and put my concealer down. I'm gonna go in with Playground, which is this blue right here. It's really pretty. If you guys want to see an actual like swatching, I can do that for you as well. So this blue is like so beautiful. So I really love this whole palette. Every color is like so pigmented and so good, which is funny because there's a color in here because the gold's so good and it's actually gold. But yeah, and I know there was a lot of like drama over James double swatching or whatever, but these colors are like amazing. And I've also heard like people being like getting rashes and staining their eyelids and stuff. That hasn't happened to me, and I use this like all the time. Now you should always like test the makeup on the back of your hand like before you put it on your face, because you can be allergic to something that's in the makeup product, and that's not the person who releases it fault if you don't do that. Honestly, like my left eye always looks so bomb, and my right eye always needs like way more work, but oh, whatever. So I'm gonna take this yellow bee, like a bee buzzing, and I'm just gonna put that right like above my blue. So yellow and blue together really give me like a little like beachy vibe. So that's what it looks like so far. I have no idea if it looks good on camera, but bitch, it looks good in person. Okay, so next I'm gonna wet my brush. And whenever I wet it, I always like get the moisture off of the brush. So I'm gonna take So Good, this gold I was talking about earlier, and put it right on my lid. So after these two videos I put out, I'm going to do some Christmas videos, Christmas challenges. I used So Good just now. I used So Good just now, and now I'm about to use Ring Light, and that's gonna go above my, below my eyebrow. And now I'm gonna take Cola, which is like a dark blue. And I'm just going to pop that right into the outer corner of my eye, just to give it a little bit of dimension and stay with those blue tones. And this is almost like it's like a dark blue, but it comes off almost as like a dark blue with like a purplish tint. So that is the look for my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and finish my face, and then we'll be done. So like I said, if you guys want swatches of this beautiful palette, just let me know. It's seriously so big, the biggest palette I've ever had, for $39. So if you guys want swatches for all of these, I can definitely do that. Just let me know if you want to see it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my final look. I didn't do any eyeliner. I just did my eyelashes, my regular eyelashes. And so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'm so sorry for not uploading lately. My life has just been crazy. But I'll be uploading again regularly. So stay tuned for my next video. It should be coming out soon. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when I post. Thanks guys. Bye.